Welcome. So let's dive into the problem we have at hand. The code provided seems to be encountering an issue with the last line. The goal is to simultaneously pass values to a variable named use_pipe and save the data frame using the pipe function. How can we make this work? Let's explore the solutions together. The solution involves using Pyjanitor's also function. By importing janitor pandas, creating a data frame dat1, and then utilizing also, along with pipe, we are able to successfully save the data frame to a CSV file. This method allows for seamless handling of the data frame while ensuring it is saved for future use. Another approach is to define a custom function named return_df. By passing the data frame, a function, and additional arguments, this function can save the data frame to a CSV file and return it for further processing using the pipe function. This offers a structured way to handle the data frame operations efficiently. For a more direct method, we can use a tuple with an index to achieve the desired result. By piping the data frame through a lambda function that returns a tuple, we can effectively save the data frame to a CSV file and continue processing it as needed. This workaround provides a quick and effective way to handle the data frame simultaneously. In summary, we have explored multiple approaches to tackle the initial problem faced with the code. By leveraging Pyjanitor's also function, custom-defined functions, and a tuple-based solution, we can efficiently manage the data frame operations and data-saving process seamlessly. Hopefully, this detailed explanation has shed light on how to overcome similar challenges in your Python projects. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time.